Thank you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe, back with another video. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. I am really appreciating it, guys. I'm so happy you're here. Now, this is not a making money video, this is a saving money video. So my partner and I have been looking for a bar cart forever, and they're all very expensive. Of course, 2020 is the year to save money and not spend a lot. We found this vanity for free at our local leave your stuff in this pile for other people to take it. I don't know what that's called, but as you can see, it was this really cute gold design. It had like some flaws, some scratches, and of course it was dirty and stuff, but we cleaned that up very easily. The side panel design of this vanity really inspired us to go with an Art Deco theme, which is absolutely perfect for a bar cart. So we cleaned it up with a recycled rag and some Dr. Bronner's spray, of course. Next we took off the mirror, and it was really easy. We just unscrewed it. Well, I made him do it, as you can tell. So although we love the gold color and we wanted to keep it, we did want to cover up all of those imperfections and where the gold had faded, so we did buy some spray paint. I'll link it below, of course. And it's hard to see that this really transformed it, but in these up close shots you can kind of see it a little bit better. Then we got some shelves cut to the dimensions at Lowe's. Thank you to this man. And then we put some contact paper on from Amazon. I'll link it. And of course I'm using my Universal Orlando annual pass to push it down, because otherwise that piece of plastic is useless this year, because I'm not going back anytime soon. This contact paper went on so smoothly, as you can see. Then we took this $10 wine holder from At Home and drilled it into the shelf. Thank you to our friend who let us use his drill. Again, I'm saying we did this, but I just filmed and made Sam do it. And ta-da, perfect. We got very lucky at the thrift store. We found this beautiful vase and these absolutely stunning martini glasses and matching champagne flutes I'll show you later, and also this little cute ceramic pineapple that I'm gonna transform. I took this really cheap Target paint and a makeup brush and painted it completely black, and again, because this is the cheapest paint ever, it took multiple coats, but that's fine. We got to speed up this video for that. Now would be a great time to give this video a like. I'm a new channel and I'm really trying to get it going, so it really means a lot to me, and thank you so much to everyone who's been supporting recently. Seeing my subs increase every single day makes me so happy and makes me feel like I'm actually contributing to society this year as much as I can. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna get to, ooh, more opaque, but yep, still needed another coat, didn't it? And when that dried, I took some equally cheap gold paint, it's kind of bronze actually, and this makeup sponge my friend left in my car 2 years ago. No joke. Talk about zero waste. I sponged it on to give it a nice little fake vintage vibe. Ooh, do we love it? I loved how this turned out. And the pineapple was only $1 at the thrift, so that was even better. And here I am making this flower arrangement with the vase I found from the thrift and just some Michael's flowers on sale, of course. I used the foam when I was filming and then it didn't really work well, so I took it off, but I kept the arrangement the same and just used floral wire. I really had to research how to do kind of an Art Deco style arrangement, so I hope you guys think it works. And that concludes all of the DIYing parts. So let's move into putting it all together. Now I repurposed some cute boxes from around the apartment to give levels to the bar cart. And here's another box that my grandma gave me. I thought the color and details really worked for this style once again. And we got this amazing Miami Club rum. Honestly got it for the aesthetic, but we knew it would be delicious based on the reviews, and it was. And we got this kind of kitschy but works flamingo pitcher from Homegoods. Next we added this cocktail set from Amazon. We do have some of these things, but we did want one that looked all cohesive and with the stand, and it's really fun to spin. I feel like I get a film degree just by this shot. And we found this decanter at the Lakeland Antique Mall. We picked it up. It was $12 there. We washed it out and put in some whiskey. Then we're going to add 2 rocks glasses just for the heck of it. Those are from our regular glasses. I got this book for 10 bucks, and it's a great book with a lot of recipes in it, and it especially has a lot of classic cocktails in it. Add some bitters for those old fashions. Then here's those martini glasses we got at the thrift store for $1 each. Look how perfect they are, and they match. That's rare, I feel like, to find 4 glasses that match. I'll show you those later. And here's the pineapple. Then I put our flavoring syrups here on the second shelf and hope they wouldn't roll over. I'm not a live, laugh, love person, but I did add this relax sign that I painted. It was $1 from Dollar Tree, and added these shot glasses engraved for us. Thank you so much to our beautiful friend who gave us those. Now we're adding some wine to the bottom. I really didn't think it would hold, but it did. And then we just arranged some liquor here on the bottom. Normally we drink nicer liquor than this, but we were going for what we had a coupon for. And my Hello Kitty one, of course. This is a picture I took on our honeymoon in Miami. I added that in a Dollar Tree frame, and just some nice sparkling on top of another box with those champagne flutes. And here's the overall look. What do you guys think? We are obsessed with it, and we put it right under our New Zealand wine cork holder I got off Etsy. Another shout out to my friend Brandon who let me use his lens for this. Ooh, I really want to drink now. I really can't believe we did this on a budget. The actual shelf itself, without all the decor and liquor, was super cheap to put together. I mean, finding the piece for free really makes a difference. Here's a side by side. You can see how the spray paint really made that gold look a lot better. So let's make a drink now. We're gonna go for an espresso martini. Yes, his nails are painted just like mine. That's a good relationship there. And before and after. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Again, a like, comment, and subscribe go a long way for me. And be sure to watch out for my next video.
Oh my god, do not smash that one.
Okay.